We got a little surprise for you. We all lost something in the Santa Rosa fires, but it really hit Chris Rhodes hard. He lost his house, his shop, his tools, and I mean, everything he helped build in the community was just gone in one night.
We have relied on QuickBooks for over 20 years, and Chris is such an amazing, selfless man that I am just thrilled that QuickBooks is backing Chris up on this. He so deserves it.
We want one of these for a while.
Oh, there you go. Oh, yeah, what's going on?
Getting this boost from QuickBooks, I mean, to help Chris, somebody that helps others, it's perfect.